work on this thing here next. It's really difficult to get in and even more difficult to get out. It doesn't want to slide off. Oh, geez. Okay. So take an engraving tool. How thin this plastic is. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, my camera there. Trim that up a little bit too. I don't think it's that way, that's the thing. I think it's mainly, it's still a little tight. It's just where it starts to go in right here, you can feel it. You feel it tightening up right there. It's just like I said, I don't know how thick that plastic is. Take too much off. That's a good thing about these little etching pens. They just take off, you know, thousandths at a time. Well, that's better. Look at that. Much better. All right. These lights are pretty good. I've been impressed so far. That was the only thing I didn't like about it. It was just a really tight fit. It has 2 charge ports in the back. And, you know, if you're out on the job site, you charge your phone or whatever. And these things are like, they're Temu. It's a Temu light. $12 or so. I think they make them for Makita batteries as well. So this one DeWalt, obviously.